Okay, today we're working on this black Porsche Cayenne. We're doing an exterior detail, which means a cleaning, decontaminating the paint with a clay bar, polishing it and waxing it. But there's a more important concern here that we'll be working on, and that's some scuffs down the side here, scratches. So right there's one, right there's one. That guy's a little bit wider. There's another little guy right here. And they continue on, yeah. See this guy here? And they get a little wider here. Several. This is the part that concerns me the most, right on that edge. And then they continue here. So anyway, we'll work on that and see how we do. Okay, here's our Porsche Cayenne that we polished. And we got these scratches out that were down the door here. These scratches that were down in here. And all the severe buffer swirls that were in there from the local dealership. All down in here, done. This edge came out better than I thought it would. Looks good. Here. Yeah, it came out well.